And the only thing you're going to need is like a needle nose pliers to take the fuse out. And so what you're going to do is like look down here, and you're going to see a compartment that looks like this. You just simply pull out, and that's going to show all the fuses. This is a Nissan. What it's going to do, immediately it'll have the instructions of where that specific fuse is. It'll usually have like a little arrow to say, hey, you need to hold it this way. So this arrow here on the very left here is telling me to point up. So there's two lines of fuses right here, if you can see. There's a top line and a bottom line, as you can see. The very lower line, if you can see real close, that these fuses are not vertical, they're horizontal on the very bottom. Those are spare fuses. So you can pull those out and use them. So if you have a blown fuse, you could remove the blown fuse and replace it with one of the horizontal. So what you're going to do is just take your needle nose pliers, and you want to look for the row. So this specific row is number 7. So I just count down. It's on the top row, and as you can see there, number 7 is cigar lighter. So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to look here and find the one, and it's a 20A wattage. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. So as you can see here, this is what the fuse looks like, and it is a 20. So you would need to replace it, the one that's blown, with the 20. Now I want you to physically examine it, because you can tell a blown fuse. It'll actually have like it look like a broken piece in there. It'll be brown or black. You could tell it's visibly broken. This one here is not broken because I just replaced it. So this one's good. And if it is blown, go ahead and look at your spare fuses there on the very bottom row that are horizontal. Those are for your use to replace a blown fuse. If not, you can get one at Ace Hardware, Lowe's, Home Depot. I think Walmart would even have them. They're super cheap. You know, $5 to $10. They usually gives you like 4 or 5 of them. Or you can go to Amazon and order them and get them the next day.